Welcome to Quick Slick Deals Alerts.
Looking to save money on your favorite brands and products? In this tutorial, learn how to set up custom deal alerts using the Slickdeals app in just 2 minutes. Start getting notified about the latest deals tailored to your interests.
Download and open the Slickdeals app.
Begin by downloading the free Slickdeals app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create a free account. This allows you to customize alerts and save your preferences for future use.
Access the Deal Alerts feature.
Tap on the profile or menu icon at the bottom or top of the app interface. Look for the Deal Alerts option. This is where you can create, manage, and edit alerts for specific products, brands, or categories.
Create a custom alert.
Tap Create Alert and type in the name of a product, brand, or category you want to track. You can set up multiple alerts for different interests. For added specificity, use filters like price ranges or store preferences to fine-tune your notifications.
Get notified and save.
Once your alerts are set, Slickdeals will notify you when matching deals pop up. Check your notifications in the app or through email. Then act quickly to grab the best discounts on your chosen products or brands.
Tips for smarter deal alerts.
For the best results, update your alerts often and use specific keywords. Adjust your notification settings to avoid missing limited-time deals. With these simple steps, you'll stay ahead of the sales and never miss out on great savings.